Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be planning for next week. It's the week of September 20th through 26th, and I'm going to be planning in my LiQWYD Design and Cricut Paper Co planner. And I've been using this planner as a catch-all all year, so I'm like super proud of myself for that. It's like the first time I've stuck to a planner for the whole year, so pretty impressive. I am using the Magical Kit from LiQWYD Design, and I adore this washi. This is so pretty with the candles, so I love it. I'm excited to use it this week. And this week on Saturday is my husband and my son's birthday, so that's super exciting. I still have no idea what to get my husband. He's not really like somebody who likes stuff. He especially doesn't like spending money, so I don't know. I'm not sure what to get him. So we'll see what I come up with. I've been asking him and he tells me these nonsense answers that aren't really anything, so we'll see. I love the colors of this kit. They're a really pretty pink, lilac. It's just very pretty. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead, put down my headers, my date covers, and we will go from there. I don't know what my deal is with this Saturday. I can't get it straight. Then I keep like messing up the header. Let's see. That's better. Alright, I think I will do a traditional sidebar. Sorry for that dancing action there with my camera. I was trying to figure out what I was doing and I wasn't doing a good job. So I'll have the tracker there. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one, the Blame It on the Moon phase. I was debating with the I Put a Spell on You one, if you saw me like staring it down there. I also have the single sheets, which matches the deco here. Since my husband and my son's birthday, $2 Tuesday, these cute extras. Okay, so I also have some of these a little bit all over the place. I will figure out what I'm doing in a second. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's go back, and thinking I might want to plan a little differently. Okay, since it's the guy's birthday, I want to use this Poe die cut that I have and put him there with maybe some of these happy birthday, let's celebrate stickers and the weekend banner. Okay. I'm gonna grab these crystals, I think. Let's see, put them on the side. So I am just gonna like use it as, even though their birthday's on Saturday, I'm just gonna put it as the weekend. Because who doesn't want a birthday weekend? I suppose they would like a birthday week too. Oh, I was having trouble getting Poe off there. Let's put him straight in the middle. He's so cute. Cute! And what else do we want to do? Okay, let's skip to Friday and Saturday. I mean, Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, I'm going to put these full boxes that have a spot for me to write in, because I actually have orientation for work Thursday and Friday. So I want to put that there. And I'm thinking it might be good to have a checklist too. So I think I'm gonna put this one here. Friday, I actually have to go to work after the virtual. And then I will put a checklist. It's the bottom. And then Friday is actually Freebie Friday. I'm like losing it with the colors here. Okay, this one, see, I put the wrong color. Okay, so let's go back to Thursday. I'll put a checklist here. Guys, I don't know why sometimes I do things so backwards. It's so silly. I think maybe I will cut some of that checklist off. Let's trim it. And then I think I might do the same thing here and move up that quarter box. Perfect. I haven't really finished Saturday and Sunday. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do down there. Look at this dollar bill here. What's happening? Okay. That's so cute. I do have this random payday sticker here. And then Friday, I like to do grocery shopping. Okay, let's get back to Monday. Oh, that's not gonna work. I have the two Ouija board next to each other. So I'm gonna take from Thursday and switch. It looks better. I think I'm gonna line them up. Let's see. Sorry if I was out of frame, guys. Alright. That was there. That leaves me with one. Oh, it leaves me with two here. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and use them. And definitely find something to put in here. Let's see. Put a half box and a quarter box on Monday, and then I'm going to put the checklist at the bottom. And then, let's see for Wednesday. Oh look, here's a freebie Fridays. Let's put that here. Perfect. Tuesday's $2 Tuesday. And then let's scoot back over to Saturday and Sunday. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really like the way this spread turned. Oh, look, I just found this. And I was squishing it. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? I was gonna put it here. I really like it. I don't want to lose it. Sorry, I just dropped my... Oh, goodness gracious. Let's take these off. Let's try again. I can't believe I guess I put it down and I just like forgot it and then I squished it. We're gonna put this here. Okay, perfect. Everything's falling. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could like it, I'd appreciate that. If you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. I'd love to have you here. And thanks for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.